Richard, you got your eyes and ears on?
Yes.
Everybody
Thanks,
good?
Whoa.
Now I want you to rack it like you just did. Nope, that's Barbie doll.
Oh.
Clamshell. Oh, right here, right here. And let her fly. Yep.
Okay.
Now get your grip again. Just do a very gentle squeeze till the gun goes off.
Okay.
All right?
Now?
Yeah.
Woo!
Good. Finger off the trigger. Don't worry about hitting things right now. You're shooting like a mile high.
I think the milk carton moved a little bit when I hit it.
Well, it's scared of you.
Whoa!
Mucus McCain.
Yeah, you're out of bullets.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, this has way bigger kick.
You're way, way low.
The sights are different on that too, Bob might.
Okay, don't aim at the target, focus on the front side. Bring this thumb up, the lower one. Still low. There you go. Whatever breaks is what I'm aiming at.
Okay. Wow.
See if you can push that down. If you can't, I'll do
Oh.
it. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you are hot and ready to fire.
I hit it?
You might have.
I did!
At that range, you got to do what's called a holdover because this is sighted in at 36 yards.
Alright.
And then it's dead on at 300.
Oh,
look at
nice!
You got it.
Killed it. Let her rip, dude. Come on, man.
Got it that time. Oh, you hit something out there.
Yeah, I saw that.
I hit the thing! It fell off!
She hit something shiny.
I did.
She knocked it off.
You're coming off the ladder.
Oh, that's why.
There you go.
It's
That's why
getting
you
really
missed.
tilty. What's happening?
Put your left foot forward and your right foot
Oh.
back. Spread your feet a little more. And take your right foot in. Not in, I mean up. Now you do the hokey pokey.
You hit it?
I hit the can thing off the post all the way out there.
Nice job.
I win.